Well, hello, y'all. Look who back, y'all. I had fired his ass, y'all. Now I let him back up here.
She terrible, y'all.
Ah! So yeah, y'all, we trying the new Travis Scott McDonald meal challenge, and you have to eat it within 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put the time on for him because y'all already know I can't eat that fast, and I'm not gonna be able to beat it. Okay, but I'm just gonna be sitting here eating mine, just taking my time. Okay. So start this timer, and we're gonna get started. Okay. Wait a minute, let me open my sauce first. You gotta open your sauce.
Oh, you gotta dip the fries in?
You gotta dip your fries, yeah.
Okay.
I don't even like barbecue sauce, but hey, I do it just because. Just because, y'all. Just because. Yeah, we got them medium fries, and we got our medium Sprite. Yep, the quarter pounder. Let's see what they working with. I put some salt in there. Wow.
Yeah, let me get a little bit of that.
Okay. We ready, y'all. We ready. Let me see what he can do, y'all.
You already know it.
Yeah, I know greedy. Y'all already know greedy. That's 10 minutes. I don't know if y'all can see I don't know what's wrong with my phone, my lightning. Well, that's 10 minutes. So I'm going to start it, y'all. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go. It's 10 minutes.
Mm.
Mm. Mm-mm-mm.
It's good with the barbecue sauce.
You don't like barbecue sauce. What you saw that with? I had tomato, mustard with mine, and mayo. But that tastes like a regular burger, y'all. Like, this tastes like a regular McDonald's burger. So I'm trying to figure out what was we looking for in this burger. Maybe just because how he eat his, or what? Like, I don't know. I don't know what we're supposed to be looking for in this burger, but hey, it's like a regular burger to me. But it tastes more like a homemade burger.
All right, we have burgers now.
What? It don't taste bad, but give me some ranch and I'll be fine. Ooh. Ooh. Bite, y'all. Should have been gave y'all a bite, but hey, I was hungry. I was hungry. I ain't even think about y'all, did I? I'm sorry, y'all. Mm, 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 mm.
Mm.
They're very good. Mm-hmm.
What? Barbecue French fries.
Oh, excuse me. Mm, mm.
I'm done back.
You gotta drink all that soda too.
Then also,
Mm-hmm.
straw ain't good.
Mm.
Done.
119, 118, whatever. Yeah. For him. Mm.
You can do it.
I know I can, but I don't want to. I don't want all these damn fries. I'm done. I'm full. Mm-mm. That's it for me. Mm-mm.
Oh, excuse me.
Still had 34 seconds left, but hey, I'm full. Full, y'all. And I sure couldn't drink all this soda. I couldn't. Mm-mm. I don't even like Sprite.
Ain't me neither.
I don't like Sprite.
It really tastes bad when it get hot.
But I told him no ice because I ain't wanted to be weak by the time I got home. Ooh.
My first time dipping French fries in barbecue sauce.
Mine too, because I don't even like that crap. I don't like no darn. Well, some people like them, but a lot of people I know don't like barbecue sauce with their fries. That's it. That's all. He beat it. I didn't, of course. You know. I won't try. I wasn't trying, y'all. But hey, we just had to try this meal, see what the hype was about, and it tastes like a regular burger to me. It tastes like a little homemade, but it was a good burger. And I put a little twist in mine, added me a tomato to it, some Miracle Whip on it, and it tastes even better. So y'all, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch y'all in the next video, challenge, or whatever you want to do. We gonna do it. And that was a good old meal. I was hungry anyway, y'all. So yeah, until our next video. Peace.
Peace.